you reconcile the concept of natural beauty and today's digital advances? I repeat, how will you reconcile the concept of natural beauty and today's digital advances?
Panel judges, teachers, and friends, good afternoon. Thank you for that question. Technology is played an important role in our society. And using editing tools to edit pictures and photos can make a picture better, but using it we tend to forget what true beauty is. But besides, let's not forget that in God's image, we are equally beautiful. We are entitled to call beautiful. We are entitled to call beautiful, and we need just to bear to our mind that we are beautiful in our own ways. Thank you.